You're welcome. This is sustainable agroecological production of poultry birds in era of climate change. I am Professor S.A. Jubril, the team leader. My area of specialization is agricultural economics. Other team members include Professor Mrs. Khadija Mausa Bello, a specialist in monogastric nutrition, and Dr. Bulus Barnabas, a specialist in extension and rural development, as well as the last but not the least, Dr. Zikrullah Yusuf, a specialist in agroecology. Climate projection for Nigeria predict a rise in temperature of 1.1 to 2.5 degrees Celsius by 2060, with agriculture being among the hardest hit by climate change. Hence, there is need to mitigate this effect. Poultry production is more widely owned by rural households in tropical countries than other types of livestock. Increasing rural poultry production can help impoverished communities to overcome poverty and malnutrition, among other things. This solution, which will mitigate climate change and the effect it has on agriculture, particularly on poultry production, will be a humble contribution to goals 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 13 of Sustainable Development Goals. The prominent system of poultry production is intensive. However, in the rural, extensive system is also adopted. This solution will be a semi-intensive, combining the advantage of the extensive and the intensive system, whereby a cage, indoor and outdoor are matched together. This construction has been made, as you can see. In addition to the semi-intensive system, a multi-species combining all other birds as opposed to single species is also adopted as part of the solution, and they have having access to free range within the confined system in the cage outdoor, and also are supplemented with feed indoor, as you can see the setup. This solution, though simple, but of course if adopted and promoted and adapted among the rural populace particularly, it can go a long way in mitigating the impact of climate change on agriculture and also create wealth for the populace. Thank you.